This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to create a shareable link in Dropbox. So I'm right here on Dropbox and the back end of Dropbox, and I'm inside a folder right here, the final VBB presentations folder. So if you want to quickly create a link to share a whole folder, this will share the folder that you're inside right now on Dropbox. You can literally just click this kind of link icon right here. This says copy link to final VVB presentation. So that will indicate the folder that you're in, and you will be copying the entire folder. So you have to be careful of that. This isn't an individual file sharing link, which I'll show you how to do in just a second. This is the whole folder, okay? So when we click there, we are sharing this entire folder right here, as it indicates, and that will copy that folder, and then you can paste that into an email, into a message board forum, wherever you need to put it. So this individual one here, as you hover over each of these folders that you have within your Dropbox or within a folder on your Dropbox, you'll see that there's this little icon again, this link icon. This says copy link to module 2. So once I click that one, that will copy again to the clipboard, and I'll be able to paste that anywhere, and that will be specifically module 2 folder, not the overarching folder that's here. Now, if you want to do a file, I will show you. So so we'd click into the folder. Obviously, how deep your folder structure is, it will depend, but I have files within this folder, a couple of folders deep. So let's hover over one of these, and in the same way, we can literally just click there, and that will share that particular file only. So lesson 3, a conclusion.key will be shared, not the other two in here, and not any of the overarching folders that are above this in the folder structure. So hopefully you have found this video on how to create a shareable link in Dropbox useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.